student athlete. You played, na-mention kanina, you played for UST nung high school, tapos nag-transfer ka to NU. Was it the difficult decision for you? Because your dad played for UST, you played UST high school. Just, a lot of things go on behind the scenes all the time. Pero just the shift of yung environment, yung teammates mo, the coaches and the faces that you see every day.
Maiyak ako.
No, talaga.
Honestly, it was one of the hardest things I've ever had to go through as a young girl nung time na yun. Kasi my plans, my dreams were all patterned sa UST. I wanted to be a CPA lawyer and alam ko na yung accountancy program ng UST, yun yung the best. So that's why kahit sa STC pa lang ako. I studied in STC kasi yung all-girls school nung grade school to high school. STC pa lang ako, alam ko na sa UST ko gusto mag-aral for accountancy. For like higher chances na pumasa sa boards, makapag-law after, ganyan. Kumbaga, mas rin ako, mahal na mahal ko yung basketball. Pero at the same time, I was thinking na aayusin ko rin yung pag-aaral ko. Gusto ko ayusin yung future ko, gusto ko maging ganito, gusto ko maging ganyan. Yun talaga yung pangarap ko, yun yung plano ko sa sarili ko nung time na to.
What year was this, if you don't mind me asking?
Sa UST, 2016 to 2018. Yeah. 2016 to 2018, I think. So, ayun. I did not go to UST to play. I went there para makapag-aral at bonus na yung basketball. Yeah. But things happened. Life happens. Maraming nangyari. Kinailangan kong lumipat. So, sobrang blessed ko kasi yun nga, my dad was part of NU. Pero kasi 12 years old pa lang ako, nakita na ako ng boss ng NU si Boss Deo. Nakikita niya na akong kasama ko kasi lagi yung dad ko sa practice ng Blackwater nung nagko-coach pa siya. Laging nanonood yung boss. So nakikita niya na ako mag-shooting, 12 years old pa lang ako. Doon pa lang tinatanong niya na ako sa dad ko, mag-NU ba yan? Hindi ako 12 pa lang ako, hindi, mag-UST ako, mag-accountancy ako. Talagang solid no. Lo and behold, sa inyo ako napunta. And, yun nga, parang UST yung dream school ko. Pero, nagkaroon ako ng bagong mga pangarap nung napumasok ako sa NU. Hindi man siya yung naging first choice ko, pero siya yung NU yung nagbigay ng daan sa akin para maging lahat ng bagay na ako ngayon. So, kahit ganun yung nangyari sa UST, kahit nagkaroon ng maraming masasakit na ganap sa buhay ko nung time na yun, it was a redirection para sa akin. And, sobrang grateful ako sa lahat ng tao who made it possible na magkaroon pa rin ako ng chance matupad yung dream ko na makapag-UAAP basketball. Kahit na hindi ako natuloy sa accountancy, kahit na hindi na ako nakapag-law school. Lots of other avenues opened up, lots of other doors opened up for me, all because nawala ako dito and napunta ako dito.
Hindi kailangang clutch ang panunood. Head on over to Clutch Talks on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts for the full episode. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe on Clutch Talk Social na rin para hindi mahuli sa Usapang Clutch.